How fast will your hamburger run? Will it run faster than mine? What's in here? Because those are my burgers that are running. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Fluffy Bearded Man. Woohoo! We're outside. We're gonna be doing how fast can the hamburger run, and this challenge is by Tay Eats and Stefan DIY Queen. I seen Big Belly Bob do this, so I wanted to hop in and get this done myself. It's pretty simple. You got 5 minutes to eat 8 White Castles. I made 12 because I did 2 boxes of 6, and these are nice, freshly steamed. Look at these. Look at all of them. Nice, steamed, moist. So there's 12 here. I'm only going to eat 8 of them on camera. You got a total of 5 minutes. I hope I'm nowhere near 5 minutes to get these puppies down. I'm going to give them a second to cool. So definitely go show them some love. Show Big Belly Bob, because he's the one that I seen do this that made me want to do this. It is humid. It is hot. There is a thunderstorm on the way. We're on a severe thunderstorm watch. I'm excited. These are going to be tasty. So I only have to eat 4 of them. I mean 8. So I can set 4 to the side. It's 3, 6, 7, 8. Time will be on the bottom, and the amount I've eaten so far will be on the top. Guys, I'm excited. I'm thrilled. We're gonna get right into here. Without further ado, definitely like, comment, subscribe. Go show the creators of the challenge some awesome love. If you want to see me do a bigger White Castle challenge that I did before with George, but do this one solo, let me know down in the comments below. I'm excited. I'm tasty. At least these are made better than the ones I did on that 32 White Castle challenge as a team challenge. These are going to be way better. Phenomenal better. So I'm excited. The time will be on the bottom. How many have you eaten on top? Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get right into this challenge. On your marks, get set, let's get fluffy. I got nice 4 just sitting here waiting for when I go inside. I'm gonna take some of this water off of. Oh yeah. I should have waited maybe another minute or 2 to let them cool, because they were on the higher side. That's why I started using my cold drink to cool them off. But man, was this tasty. Man, was this delicious. If you think you have the cojones to give this a try, give it a go. You never know. If you don't have a White Castle near you, get the frozen ones and steam them. 350 degrees in the oven. Put a grate with a pan of water in there. Put foil on top. They come out great. Put them in there for about 15-20 minutes. They're so moist. These are way better than the one I did on the last challenge. So that 32 White Castle one, I'll put the link below. They weren't steamed, they were just oven, and they were hard. Super hard. So go get yourself some White Castles and a cold drink. Try this challenge out. I'll see you guys on the next one, because today's a good day. So have a great day. God bless you all. Peace.